that is downstairs, underneath something, center part of the house, keep away from windows. These are the kids at Alpharetta Elementary School from just about 10 minutes ago, and they are doing exactly what they should be doing right now. Parents, especially Alpharetta, also especially parts of Milton, parts as it moves in parts of Forsyth County as well, as it heads up the road towards the County area and Milton. Do not go out and try to get your kids. Your kids are safe in the school. They are in a place where they need to be. Those walls you can see right there are solid concrete. The kids are doing exactly what they should in this picture right here. Again, this is from Alpharetta Elementary School from just about 20 minutes ago, where the kids are all taking their tornado safe precautions. They are on either side of the hallway. And they
We lived here for 8 years. I've never seen that.
Okay. Now, if you live in anywhere where you can hear sirens right now, especially for parts of North Cherokee, also parts of Forsyth, even though we don't have a warning out there for Forsyth yet, and also parts of North Fulton as well. This is where you need to
right about here.
Precautions right now. That's downstairs, underneath something, center part of the house, and keep away from windows. Here's the latest finish right here.
Oh, wow. That's a lot of water. And the good news is the trees are holding still anyway. That big red splotch is on that radar is going to go right behind that set of trees over there and hopefully miss us. Hopefully. At least the tornado sirens have stopped anyway. They were going crazy earlier. Street looks like a river. Man, oh man, oh man.